Jordi. I am Angela Lucia Ruiz, and this video I'm going to talk about how the technology affects the environment. I hope that you really like it, and thank you so much. Bye.
Okay, first of all, I introduce myself. I am Angela Lucia Ruiz. I am from Colombia. I'm 20 years old. I'm single. I am a psychology and a bachelor English student. And and I am so tender and comprehensive person. My dream is having my own school based on emotional education. I speak English very well. In my free time, I do exercises. Right now, I I'm I'm working in Tolima as a teacher, but my family lives in Girardot. So I'll I'll I'm going to speak to you about two places, Falan Tolima and Girardot. I hope you really like it. Listo. Listo. Nowadays, people use technological tools to improve their life quality, which make it easier for them to work. However, people sometimes do not measure their actions, which in short could damage the world around us. When people use technological devices, their efforts decrease and they save time to do activities. A good example is the progress in transportation. Each day there are new inventions and advances to supply the human's needs. In spite of these benefits, it is possible to predict environment problems caused by a technology like global warming and contaminations. For this reason, the best idea is having full knowledge of about technological impact on the environment. For that, humans will be able to define how to use the technology without the environment being affected. What do you think? The people choose a good lifestyle or reduce their environment problems? Now, there are many alternatives to live in equilibrium within to have a good lifestyle and reduce the environment problems that could affect the world in the future. Humans play an important role in this situation because people are the main users and creators of technology. So the best idea is to generate conscience about the future that we would like to have. If people understand the issues, it causes and effects, we could start to change our habits from home and communicative to others around us, which help to reduce the risk. Thus, avoiding the usage of technology is not the solution. Is we could use the technology in a moderate way. Is the right way to handle this problem. Technology has been a good tool to improve and supply easier solution for the humanity through which is possible to reduce the consumption of energy and develop strategies for environment care. For example, like the electric car, which helps to decrease environment contamination, and the change in renewable sources like solar, wind, geothermal, and bioenergy that create clean energy. Also, also, also we see another systems like Uber make easier to get around without owning a car. Airbnb helps homeowners and travelers take advantage of space that aren't being used. Netflix have reduced the number of DVD rentals, and another system like FaceTime, Skype, and video conference can reduce the need for people to travel to meet each other, and so less fuel is used. Many unconscious activities that cause contaminating as pollution and overpopulation, and it causes the world's Earth's temperature. Through the invention of burning of fossil fuels have increased the amount of CO2 that it causes many effects in the ocean and quality of life of living beings. For example, the ice sheets in Greenland and Antarctica are melting. Also, the hottest weather causes storms, floods, heavy snowfalls, and droughts. Another example is that the pollution causes a big impact in people's physical health, as in China, in Beijing, that every day increase the amount of smog, and it contains ozone particles, and due to it is the most higher temperature exposed to higher levels of smog and nowadays can cause health problems. Why? Why so much smog? Because the factories produce a bunch of toxic chemicals into the air and poisoning the land and the water. In Beijing, there are no clouds, just a permanent toxic smog around the city. As you know, the coal is the main energy sources in China. Then most people think that use coal without producing pollution is a big challenge. Also, another problem is the highest burning of coal in the world. And for that reason, it damages the soil, the water, and the plant cover.